Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is Helper Hut here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to speed up or fast forward part of a video with CapCut Video Editor app. So this will hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. First, let's start from scratch by creating a new project and import our video. Select your video on the timeline and go to the point you want the fast forward effect to start. Split the video and go to where you want the speed up effect to finish, then split again. Select the part you want to speed up, then select speed. Select normal, then the speed you want to add to that part of the video. Let's watch it. All done. So pretty straightforward process guys, do possible to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.